Hey guys, this is Ray J, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Anker Astro E1 portable charger. So here we've got the box, and as you can see it's fairly compact. The box itself feels nice, and as per usual I love the design of the boxes and the materials that are used from Anker. The Astro E1 supports Power IQ, which is essentially a smart way to detect what best power option is used for your device, giving it the most power that the device is capable of taking. It has one micro USB slot for charging the battery, and it also has a standard USB port which allows you to charge your chosen device. So the battery has a capacity of 5200 mAh, and even though this may not sound like much, it's great for a quick boost on your battery, and because it's so small you can fit it into your pocket. It may not be best suited for the power hungry users, but I managed to get at least 1 to 2 full charges out of this using my iPhone 6. The battery has an input and an output of 5 volts, and it's structurally made really well. Right here I've got the second generation version of the Astro E1, however there are now later versions with similar principles. Inside the box it comes with a micro USB to USB cable and a carry case for the battery. As usual, you can expect the great user manual and provided information that is given with Anker products. Anker also offer a 30-day money back guarantee if you're not happy with their product. I managed to get this device whilst I was camping around the west of England, and I was in desperate need of a portable charger. So I managed to order this on Amazon and I got it sent to a pickup point. I took the battery along with me throughout the length of my travels, and I can safely say that it did really well. Not only did it get thrown about in bags, cars and pockets, but it also handled rough surfaces and beaches when I had accidentally dropped it. It managed to keep my phone charged when I had no access point, and it doesn't take too long to charge the battery either. I even took this along with me to India, and even though it's not the most powerful portable battery, it is a great complementary item to your phone and even a collection of larger batteries. If you're looking for something small, lightweight and that will be reliable and will give you a good amount of power when you need some extra juice, then I would definitely recommend this device. Personally, I usually go for Anker when it comes to tech related products, especially portable batteries, but you can make this decision for yourself, and it's always a good practice to look around. I hope you all enjoyed my review and unboxing of the Anker Astro E1, and if you did, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech related content each week. Have a great day guys, this has been Ray J.